Another day and another tutorial. Today we're running a program called manipulating input and output. And to get started, I'll go ahead and put my variables up here. So one's going to be a Boolean and one's going to be an integer. And we're going to be modifying the input and output streams with what we call insertion operators. So to demonstrate, the first one is going to look like this. So here there's this width function. It's going to specify width in characters, and then we're going to fill with this character. In this case it's going to be dot, and output would be the string at the end. And to run this, let's go ahead and do that. I'm not counting these dots, but I'm pretty sure there's 40. And then sure enough, we have output there. Next up, we have precision. This extends to default decimal place of 6 for floating point integers. So there's 6 normally, but here it will display this whole chunk, which is well beyond 6. Now, if you're curious, if I knock this out, it won't display the complete amount. Okay, so next we have bool alpha. Now, bool alpha will display Boolean values in terms of a string, such as true or false. So we have one Boolean value of 1 that translates into true. So there we go, and simple as that, really. And here, so we got num, and we're going to go ahead and use manipulators in a chain. And what we're doing is we're going to do hex, show base, and uppercase. And output looks like this. Now, a lot of things were done, and I'm going to go ahead and try to break it down piece by piece. So let me go ahead and kill this code and do this. So it's going to start off with 255 as our initialized value. Hexadecimal conversion will turn it into lowercase ff. And then at show base, it's the prefix indicating the numeric base. All hexadecimals are 0x. Then uppercase will capitalize the letters. For scientific, it'll be like E, and then hexadecimals, it'll be like FF. And just a quick summary of hexadecimals, if you haven't already known. Hex is short for hexadecimal, and the format looks something like this, where it has these characters, and 255 would roughly translate into will translate into something that looks like this. So sure enough, there's FF, then it'll put the prefix in front of the FF, and then here it'll capitalize it all, giving us the final product right here. And yeah, that's all for this program.